Ever wonder how some people seem to hit the jackpot with meme coins, while others are left holding the bag? It's not just luck, it's about having the right strategy and the right tools. Today, we're diving deep into how you can unlock the massive potential of meme coins and aim for those incredible gains. First things first, the meme coin market moves at lightning speed. A coin can go from zero to hero in minutes. And if you're not quick, you've already missed the boat. Manual trading just can't keep up. This is where technology comes in. Imagine being able to spot promising new coins the second they launch, analyze their potential, and get in before the massive pump. That's the power of automated tools. Now, let's talk about the game changer. Trading bots. A good trading bot isn't just about speed. It's about precision. Think of it as your personal crypto assistant, working 24/7. One of the most powerful tools out there is Axiom. This bot is specifically designed for the high-speed, high-stakes world of Solana meme coins. It automates the entire process, from sniping new token launches to setting up smart sell orders to lock in your profits. With a tool like Axiom, you're not just guessing anymore. It provides real-time data, helping you make informed decisions instead of emotional ones. You can set your own rules, like automatically selling a portion of your holdings once the price doubles or triples. This is how you secure gains and protect your initial investment, which is crucial in such a volatile market. It's about trading smarter, not harder. But remember, even with the best bot, you need a solid strategy. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Diversify your plays, and always do your own research. A bot is a powerful weapon, but you are the general commanding it. Combine a sharp strategy with a top-tier bot like Axiom, and you're putting yourself in the best possible position to capitalize on the meme coin craze. So, are you ready to level up your meme coin game? Stop chasing pumps and start getting in on the ground floor. Explore what a powerful trading bot can do for you. It might just be the key to unlocking the gains you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more crypto strategies. See you in the next one.